welcome you all in my lecture. I am your Sheetal teacher. So children, how was your weekend? Yes, very nice. I hope you enjoyed your weekend with your family. Yes. So children, now it's study time. So today we are going to learn a new letter. Yes children. So today we are going to learn letter F. Yes. Can you see this children? This letter is F. Yes. This is capital F and this is lowercase f. Small letter F. This is uppercase F. This is lowercase f. So today we are going to learn letter F. And we are going to learn how to write letter F. We are going to learn the sound of letter F and what words start with letter F. Okay children? So let's start. So children, how we write letter E? Yes, it is the same way, but in this you have to draw only two lines. Okay children? One standing line and two sleeping line, and it becomes letter F. And how we write small letter? Curve, standing line and sleeping line. It's very simple. It becomes letter F. Okay. And now what is the sound of letter F children? F. F. You should not say. You have to make only the sound children with your mouth. F. F. Fan. Fish. Yes. Which word start with letter F? Fan. F for fan. F for fish. F for fig. There are so many words start with letter F. Okay children? So I am going to teach you how to write in book. Okay? So first we are going to do one more revision. What is the sound of letter F? Okay, this is the sound, and the word start with letter F is F for fish, F for frog, F for foot. Foot you know na? Yes. This is a foot. F for what start? Fig also. Yes children, fig. Yes. So these are the words which start with letter F. Okay. So now we are going to learn how to write letter F. Okay. Let's see. So children, can you see? This is letter F. This is capital. This is capital F. This is small f. Yes. So now I have written some word which start with letter F. So this is fish. What is this? Fish. Fan. Foot. This is foot. And this is fig. So children, whenever you see letter F, you have to underline like this. Okay? Can you see children? Yes. I have underlined letter F. Can you see? Here, these are all letter F. And this all words start with letter F. Here. Yes children? So now we are going to learn how to write letter F. So this is your red and blue line book. Yes? So you have to start from red line. And till blue line you have to go. Only blue line tak jana hai. Okay? And one sleeping line. And one sleeping line on the red line and one sleeping line on the blue line. But this line should be small, हाँ children? जो नीचे का line होता है वो थोड़ा छोटा करना है, ठीक है? So this become capital F. Again, standing line. This is standing line. One sleeping line and one more sleeping line. It becomes letter F. Okay, children? This is standing line and only two sleeping line. Okay children? Standing line, sleeping line, two sleeping line. One should be bigger and one should be smaller. One big and one small, two line you have to do. Okay? So this was our capital F. Now I am going to teach you small letter F. That is like this. Children, I have taught you this pattern, you know. Do you remember this? Yes, I have taught this pattern. For this letter only I have taught you this pattern. Like this you have to do, and from here blue line you have to do sleeping line. It becomes letter F. Again, curve, standing line, sleeping line. Okay, curve, standing line, sleeping line. Children, this curve you should not touch in the blue line. Okay, okay, just small curve. Can you see the curve over here? Yes, you should not start from here. No. Okay, now we are going to write together. Okay, children, red line, say blue line, standing line, two sleeping line. It becomes capital F. And if I want to write small f, okay, so curve, standing line, sleeping line, it becomes F. One more time, standing line, two sleeping line, F. And curve, standing line, sleeping line. Okay, children, this is letter F. This together I am writing capital and small letter F. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Okay, children, and now curve, standing line till blue line, and in middle you have to do one chota sa sleeping line. So this become letter F. So this was the today's introduction, letter F. So please children, you do practice at home. I will be giving you this homework. Okay, so you have to see only red line and blue line, and then you have to write. Okay, if you don't know, if you are getting confused in the line, tell your mama to give you dot dot. Okay, dot dot पे भी practice कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? Till then, bye, and children, take care of yourself. Please don't go out. Okay, and take care. We'll